In this example, we are going to use NumPy linear algebra functions to solve this system of linear equations. First, before going to NumPy, let's rewrite the system in a matrix form. So here we have the coefficients matrix, and we have the unknown vectors, or the unknowns, and the absolute values vector. So now our system is ready to be solved by using NumPy. Now we have two methods. The first method is using the inverse matrix. So here we multiplied the inverse matrix to the matrix form from the left. So it yielded the unknowns matrix equals to the inverse matrix multiplied by the absolute values vector. So now we have the matrix and the vectors. So we have A and we have B. Now we just write very simple equation. X equals to MP inverse A dot product B. We got the solution. Now, usually using the inverse matrix is not the fastest way to get the solution, because it needs the operation of getting inverse first and then multiplication second, especially in the big matrices. The function solve would give us the direct solution and the exact solution of the system way faster than the operation of using the inverse, especially, as I said, in the large matrices. So the operation is very, very simple. Just we say X equals to and we got the solution. Now maybe you can say that the prefix linalg is long, so we can shorten this prefix in this way. We can import it. So here I imported the lin or linear algebra module separately with the alias NL. So we can say simply, instead of all this, and it works. Maybe you can say, okay, if you are not afraid that these functions like solve, inverse, eigenvalue are not going to conflict with other functions with the same name, you can also import them separately as functions. For example, so in this way we can use the functions directly without the prefix, or solve in the same way.